Yeah, we're going to do this on an amazing and fantastic tea this evening. This is my bedtime tea for tonight. I'm gonna walk you through it, all right? So, all right, number one, hot water. We're gonna put 1 cup of hot water into the pot. All right. That's the first thing we are going to do. We'll come right here, so you can see why I am doing this. Cut up this onion. Okay. All right. Look at it. Get that purple onion, and we're going to put the purple onion into the water just like this. You see that? This is medicine. All right, yeah man, get that purple onion straight into it. Yeah, I'm gonna use a medium size one. You can also use a white one. Right, Ricardo Blog is in the building as usual, supporting the progress. See that? Here it is. More, we're using 1 medium-sized one. Put this into the water like this. Excellent. See that? Add some fresh ginger. Oh, I don't know when I'm going so deep into the ginger. Yeah, look at that. The ginger right here. All right, so come right here, let's put some ginger inside of it just like that. Beautiful and nice. Turn on the cooker. So I turn off the cooker at the moment, because what happens when you turn off the cooker, you don't want it to boil like an oxtail or soup. Come over here. That's some garlic. Brought these garlic today. This garlic is amazing, man. Yeah. So this is beautiful. Look at that. Crush up this garlic, and that's what I get right here. Yeah. That is fantastic and an amazing. Normally I would leave it for about 5 to 6 minutes before even using the garlic. So 1, 2, 3, 4 cloves of garlics right there inside of it. All right, excellent. You guys can see, yeah, that's the way it looks. So amazing and fantastic. Very good for the blood pressure, very good for the immune system, help to boost up the immune system. All right, also what we're gonna do is put some of my favorite inside of it right here, cloves. All right, we'll put a few cloves in it. This tea recipe, I make it all the time, but just to remind most of us, some of us totally forgot about these things. All right, here it is, all of the natural ingredients right here. This one helps to cleanse up the immune system and detoxing up the body, to be honest with you. One medium-sized purple onion with some ginger and garlic and some cloves. Wow, smell that. That smell amazing. Yeah, man. That smell fantastic, guys. All right. Yeah, if you're suffering from high blood pressure and you're thinking, I need to come off of the medication, but you don't know what to do, these are some of the natural ingredients which you guys can also make at home if you like to. So this is our bedtime tea tonight. All right, yeah, man. Look how easy and simple, and it doesn't complicate it. All right, yeah, very, very simple, but I'm going to tell you this, it's very effective. It's very simple, but very effective and very good for the immune system and to detox in the body, and also help it to cleanse up the gut and fix up the gut 100%. Now, over the last 11 months, we've been making this one, talking about the high blood pressure. A lot of people are suffering from the high blood pressure, guys. So, if you know anyone, tell them to give this a try at home. Let's take this off to eat. Okay. Yeah, we'll take it off to eat. Take it off to eat. Once you take it off to eat, all right, yeah, that's looking good. Make it cool down a little bit. All right, breaking news. So remember, you can get yourself a copy of my brand new book on Amazon. All right, there's a massive 50% off before the year end. Get yourself a copy of the book. All right, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Beautiful people, here it goes tonight with another beautiful and healthy and delicious recipe. Yeah, man, from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Okay, but if you missed the video, it will be on my YouTube channel. Okay, yeah. Here it is, and this is how it goes in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo tonight, once again with another healthy tea. Wow, yeah, man. Now the rest of the ingredients, you can pour some more hot water on it, sleep it, and make it stay there for a couple of minutes. All right? Yeah, man. All right, we don't have much people that watch. I think the other rest of people that must sleep. That's that delicious. Thank you so much. You can put some honey inside of it. All right? Yeah, man. Put some honey inside of it and give it a sweeten with a little bit of honey. All right? If you like to, you don't have to. That's just option. All right? Yeah. Oh yes, that is perfect. 100%. Chef Ricardo. Wow. That is amazing. That is excellent one. Wow. Now let's get the garlic and put it inside of it because I will eat this garlic. All right. Cauliflower, USA. Thank you so much. Big up on the US in the building. All right. Few pieces of these. Chuck them right here. Yeah, man. That's good vibes. Cloves. I love my cloves. So you guys can see why Chef Ricardo normally make these on an amazing, credible tea every day, as much as I think you can. All right, I'm always trying my best to give you guys the most beautiful recipes. Please enjoy it with all my heart.